The JOBOX high-capacity drop front chest securely stores your large portable equipment on the job site. With over 41 cubic feet of usable space, there is ample storage capacity for bulky items you want to keep on site. The tall, vertical height lets you conveniently store many tools in their upright position. Two large compartments provide additional storage to organize smaller tools, accessories, and supplies. The extra-wide, low-incline ramp means safe and easy loading and unloading of heavy equipment and will support up to 1,000 pounds. The Site-Vault locking system, full-length console, and two locking points provide superior resistance to prying force. Easy loader skid bolsters are forklift accessible from all sides. First to the industry, the JOBOX high-capacity drop front chest, providing security solutions.